Now we have le goût, means the taste. You have to be able to tell what you like and what you don't like. We have le verbe aimer. Le verbe aimer means to love, but in French the verbe aimer is also used as the verb to like. We have the formula aimer plus noun means name. You have nom, aimer plus verb in infinitive means a non-conjugated verb. First example, aimer and nom. J'aime la danse means I love the dance or I like the dance. Means it's a noun, la danse. But I say j'aime danser means I like to dance. This is danser. Danser is what? Is verb in infinitive form. It's the verb of first group. Danser. But you cannot conjugate it because after the verb aimer conjugated, you put a verb in infinitive. Now, the same sentences, you want to tell them negatively, you will say je n'aime pas la danse. Negative form. In this moment it means I don't like the dance. Next, je n'aime pas danser. It means I don't like dancing. Okay? And apostrophe pas. Why? Because the verb is starting with a vowel.